Hello, friends. When you are planning to sell your products online and willing to create a modern, super modern e commerce website, choose WordPress. As WordPress with WooCommerce gives all great options that we can use to launch our e commerce website in effortless manner. Like I made this setup using a premium WordPress theme, and the website is ready to put the content. And after putting the content, I can start selling all my products. Like this is a shoe store, but with the theme that I am using, we can target any of online store website. Like this is configurator that we are going to overview in this video. This is WP Configurator, which is a WooCommerce WordPress theme. So this is a very advanced and modern e-commerce website WordPress theme. It uses Elementor as page builder and it has been developed by WP Configurator. It has got already 1400 sales and good reviews from existing users, which clearly means this is a well accepted WordPress theme and we can choose this theme. But yes, I am going to show you all the steps through which you can start building your website using this configurator WooCommerce theme, and it comes with multiple pre-made layouts. So this is the main thing that you are looking for. So you can target a shoe store website specifically, like helmets, the headphones, the bicycle, motorcycles, the sunglasses, and the handbags, t-shirts, smartwatches, and the classic bikes or classic sunglasses. There are many coming soon. So you can target any of these websites with the theme WP configurator that we are going to use and overview in this video. Watch this video until end because it is necessary to understand all the steps before you are choosing this theme or any other theme. So there are hundreds of themes overview on this channel itself. So you might be a regular visitor on this channel. If not, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button. And let us start creating a demo setup. Yes. And we will overview all the features and steps in this video. So I have completed my setups and my demo website is ready. So first of all, I'll show you what I got on the back end after installing the themes. So I can start with the pages, how many pages that I got with us. Specifically selected demo that I selected Sue demo for this website. So I got 14 published pages. So these all are ready to use pages, like home pages here, internal pages are here. And if we talk about the demo products, just to show you, it is not so important because ultimately you are going to upload your own products, but you can simply follow the pattern of uploading the product that has been used. So this is here, and 9 products are here. So, okay, what I got in the control, like uh, configurator, this is the main thing. Like this is the configurators and new configurator and inspiration, something new. Basically, these are the layouts that can be used at the website, like update database option is here. So I have updated the configurator one that I am using, and all configurators can be seen here again. Okay. So the thing is that like sneaker that I am using is here, and we can further configure the things here. Like tour configurator lets us know how we can proceed, like to help you get started using the configurator editor. So this is a basically an editor. Configurator is editor for a specific layout that you can use. Like if we go to the tour, this is the hero image and we can choose the base color, and further we have mouse over here to delete or add or new things, new elements we can have, or click here to change the layer settings. Okay, so this is all about this particular image, what settings you can have with the configurator. Click here to change the configurator global setting, and this is just a tour. You can also take this tour. And since I have already installed, I got this access. Without installing, you cannot get these things, and my objective is to show you the things that you'll get after installing or after, of course, buying the theme. So it works with Elementor. So the thing is that what plugins I am using, configurators are here, but plugins have been already installed. Like I'll show you all the plugins that is being used in this demo website, so that you may be very clear. So you might be thinking why I'm not showing the installation steps as usually I used to show in the video. Yes, I'll show you how I installed this wonderful theme with all the content very easily. So these are the plugins that is being used. Like this is one-click demo importer. Configurator theme core is the core plugin that is bringing most of the features. As it's only one. The contact from 7 is here. Elementor is the page builder, and watermarket, Kirky customizer, and the slider revolution. WooCommerce is of course here, and the configurator pro is here. So the pro is the thing that is bringing most of the advanced feature at our website. Like if we check the setting screen of this configurator pros, this is setting again. So we have all great settings that you need to control your professional e-commerce website. Like this is the general setting where you can set the thumb size and the item price. So hide options is here, group price and the total price. The remove price is empty, so details and logo, flying logo, menu, metapixels. This is something different theme, not like a common WooCommerce WordPress theme. And also the price is bit high, so you have to spend $99 when you decide to buy this theme. So in this $99, you'll get all the things like quality check by Envato, future updates for this theme, and 6 month support from the author. And in addition to this, we are here to help you through our iCreate program. So I'm sure you know about the iCreate program. So I must show you. So at iCreate program, you can join a mentor who can help you in every manner in completing your website, making your WordPress website. So this is live chat option, and you can start a chat. So the link can be found at WP Themes website at the menu, and all the relevant links had been given in the video description link. So I was saying about the price, why it is $99 bit higher there as compared to others. So it is bringing most advanced features at our website, like I was discussing. So this is general setting, this is pro settings basically, and the text string that we can have, like base price text, the base price, the total price, the configure, and the view configure. Like price configurator is also here, and configure button text, like configure the price, view configure and configuration button text, and all these advanced things that you can have at your website. Like this is summary, and get a quote option is also here. Further, we have the design options, like we can change the body background color, title color, content color, link color, button, the form fields, floating icons, the preview slider, pop-up, fly-in, and the social icons. Further, we have the typography options and custom CSS that we can control, of course, and custom CSS is also here. Okay. If we talk about the tools under the configurator, and here are the tools: delete inspiration category or the reset preview image, and the main list is here. Config may add new customization, I don't know. So if we check the configurator inspiration, so we can have new inspiration. I need to check all these details even on the documentation, so how we can use the inspiration. Okay, so all great. And next I can see the Elementor and rest of things as in common setup of WordPress, and this is for hero image. So the main advanced thing is the configurator that I can see, and this is the slider revolution where you can change the hero area, hero image area, right? So you can control the hero image using the slider revolution. So I think I have shown you most of the screen that you'll get at the back end of this website. And now it is time when I can show you how you can easily install this theme. So the first thing is that you have to buy the theme through the video description link. Why through the video description link? Because when you are buying the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, I repeat, you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net. This is only the authentic place where you can buy the theme. You need to spend $99, no doubt. But when you are buying the theme through the link, that is an affiliate link, of course, you'll get all the supports from our iCreate program. And of course, you'll get all the benefits from the Envato, which is listed here. So once you buy the theme, you need a domain name and a hosting that you can get at WP Theme website. Links in the video description. There is only one link that you can follow. You can reach to the iCreate program there and WP Themed website. Go to the hosting tab, choose a cPanel based hosting plan or Edge panel. So all great hosting providers you can find there. Choose a hosting, choose a domain. You can all book at the hostinger like thing, and all the links had been given in the under the hosting tab. So get a hosting, get a domain, get a theme pack, and start creating. So how to start creating? This is the main thing. So let me reset this website. So it is, however, it is live, but I'll reset this website and make it to the default setting using the WP reset. This plugin is not for you. I am using this, and to reset the website setups, and I'm bringing back to the default settings, defaults installation. I mean the core installation, and I'll show you how easily you can install the configurator, WP Configurator WooCommerce WordPress theme after this step. Okay, so it is reset is complete, and coming back to the default things. So appearance, themes, and even the core theme is not here. So I'll install the default theme first of all, 2025, and being installed, and the website is now looking like this with the default theme. So all simple, but yes, coming back, and now I'll show you the installation steps. It is going to be simple, but I need to show all these things considering all types of users on this channel, because I have seen the basic errors during installing the theme, and it is important to follow the exact step if you want to be a successful website, to make a successful website, right? So let me show you theme pack. So in the theme pack, I have the installable theme file, which we are going to use. It is 13.2 MB in size. The child theme is also included, the changelog, and the licensing one. So we are going to use this one for our installation purpose. Installation is simple, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps. Go to the themes under appearance menu, add theme, and choose upload theme. Here, choose the installable theme file, that is the configurator, and the version name can be there. So select this, click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your host capacity and internet speed. It is important to take a WordPress optimized hosting plan since you are launching an e-commerce website, and the resources should be adequate to launch an e-commerce website. You can see the theme got installed within few seconds. So this is the beauty of hosting plan. You can have this hosting cPanel based hosting plan at a nominal price at WP Themes website. Through the WP Themes website, we are not the hosting providers, so the aggregation are there, so all has been arranged for you. Right, so let us activate the theme, and upon activation, let us say, so this is the screen where we need to install certain plugins in order to get all the functionalities as normal. 9 plugins, I have already shown you all these plugin details, and I am selecting all and selecting install, clicked on apply to install all the listed plugins in a single attempt. Okay, great. So I can see all green marks, all the plugins have been installed successfully as I did earlier, but I'm showing you the steps that I followed and repeating the steps again. So I have selected all to activate all the installed plugins, and all got activated. Coming back to the dashboard, and this can be welcome page, so I can come back to the dashboard, right? So you need to activate the theme using your license keys that you'll get at the themeforest.net account when you buy the theme. And next we can proceed for importing the demo data. So now the website is looking like this. I'll show you the core website. This is the core website without any demo content. Now we can proceed to import the demo as in usual practice. And under appearance, import demo data option is here. And here you can choose what you want to have at your website. Like randomly, uh, I am selecting this time this handbags. So you have all the choices, and earlier I installed this one, shoes. So this time I'm selecting handbags, and I'm selecting all here and clicking on import, right? So we are creating a website, e-commerce website for handbags, demo website, of course. So the screen is showing everything what is going in the background, the importing media. There are 50 media items that is included, and 3 has been imported successfully in just few seconds. And there are other things like the term, the comment, the navigation menu items, and All this is to be done, and the progress bar is saying the percentage of import content. So we have to show our due patience on this screen. Don't disturb the process. Don't hit the back button or refresh the page until it reaches to 100% and gives you a success message. And within 3 minutes, hardly 2.5 minutes, in fact, I reach on this screen. It is showing 100% everything completed, and we can check the logs as well. View logs option are here, but mainly we can check our website. So I'm going to refresh this page, and the handbag stored is here. So what is beauty in this theme? The speed, modern style, and the thing that you can control directly. So it is all here, and my demo website is ready. So we can proceed to edit the content, and you can see the speed. It is really super amazing. So when you are having a fast loading website, you are going to win the digital race. Especially for e-commerce website, you need a fast loading website because the search engines like Google only respects the fast loading website and user friendly website. So the cleanness of this theme and the layout will make this successful, and the fast loading speed is additional thing that you can get with this. So configurator that we reviewed in this video, you have all the choices, hundreds of themes on this channel to compare and choose the most relevant things. And if you need any support, write in the comment or join the live chat at ICreate program. We are here to answer your queries, and we can really make successful and performing website using WordPress. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.